and welcome to Daddy-Daughter Time Cooking. I'm Daughter.
And I'm Daddy.
And today we'll be making lactose-free
Biscuits!
And here are today's ingredients.
Hi everybody. Here are the 6 ingredients you will need today to make your lactose-free biscuits. You'll need 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 6 tablespoons of shortening, 3/4 of a cup of lactose-free milk, and 2 cups of flour.
Okay, now we're going to start making the biscuits. First, we're going to add our flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. And now we're going to whisk it up.
Nice job, daughter. Next comes the shortening. Add all the shortening to the flour, baking powder, sugar, salt mixture. We're going to stir it around, but what you want to do is you want to crumb the mixture. All that means is we're going to mash this all up together, and it's going to start to look like the cookie crumble topping that you see sometimes on those wonderful blueberry and peach cobbler kind of things, apple strudel stuff, streusel, however you say the word. But this is all we do. We go round and round and round, turning it into a crumble. There you go. All crumbly like. Daughter, would you please hand me the milk?
Here you go, Daddy.
All right, milk is in. Daughter, would you now hand me the wooden spoon?
There you go.
Thank you for the wooden spoon. Now, as we bring this mixture together, everybody, we don't want to over mix it, don't want to over stir it. It's not like kneading dough for your loaves of Italian bread that you have to knead for like 5 to 7 minutes. Literally, all we do is mix it around like that, and it's done. All right, everybody, so we mixed up our biscuit mixture. Here's what we're going to do next. We're going to form the biscuits. Take out a piece of aluminum foil, throw it on your countertop. It's going to make it a lot easier. A little extra flour, drizzle it on there. We're going to knead it so that it won't stick. And make sure that you have the patent pending biscuit cutter. For our family, we utilize the top of a mason jar. If you use the half pint mason jar, half pint I think this one is, it'll get you about 9 biscuits. If you do the larger full pint, it'll get you about 6. That's our biscuit cutter. We're going to take our biscuit dough that we have, and we're going to do something a little different. We're going to place it on here. We're going to flatten it out. We're not going to overwork it. And now that it's flattened out, we're going to fold it. And we're going to flatten it out again. And then we're going to fold it. And then we're going to flatten it out again. Then we're going to fold it. We're going to flatten it out again. We're going to do that one more time. So we fold it over on itself anywhere from 4 to 6 times. We're going to mush it out just a little bit. No rolling pin, just use your hand. And what we're looking for is the thickness of about the mason jar lid. Now once we have this all set and thick, the way we want it to, we're going to start cutting these out. Daughter, could you start cutting some out for us, please?
Okay, Daddy.
Whatever will we do, daughter? It doesn't look like we have enough to make a round circle. What should we do? Let's mush it back together, shall we?
Yep, we shall. Oh, a little piece fall.
Little piece fell out. All right, we mush it back together and we start the whole thing over. We don't have to do the folding 36 times now, but we do have a bit more of it. It's about as tall, thick, or high as the circle. Push down. Make sure you've gotten some of the flour on the bottom of it so it won't stick to the pan. Get another circle right there. Make sure we have some flour on the bottom. And the last biscuit you make, in this household, we call it the daddy biscuit. Looks a little different than the other ones. It's a little special, if we should say, if we can't say. But this one's going to end up being the daddy biscuit. And you see from this batch, we were able to make, we're getting about 8 biscuits on this one. So that's how you cut out biscuits, everybody. All right, everyone. Now that we've cut out our biscuits, we're going to put them into a preheated oven, which is currently at 425 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until the tops start to get yummy golden. All right, everybody. Biscuits have been in there, I don't know, maybe 10 and a half minutes, almost 11 minutes or so. This is what you're looking for, everybody. Biscuits golden on top. Perfect. Let's plate them and eat them. So, everybody, the biscuits have cooled. We're ready to try them.
Yep.
Daughter, are you sure you're ready to try them?
Yep.
I'm ready to try them. So, I don't know if you guys can tell, but can you figure out which one of these puppies are the daddy biscuit? The special one? Yeah. So this one's going to me. Sure, let's give that one to you, daughter.
Thank you.
Let's go ahead and open them up. I am going to use some homemade apple butter on my biscuit. What are you going to use, daughter?
I'm going to use some homemade strawberry preserves on my biscuit.
Ooh. All right. I have my biscuit sandwich ready to go. Do you have yours ready to go? Let's taste them.
Wait! We forgot to introduce the newest member of our team.
Ah, that's right. We do have a new member to our team, don't we? Who's the newest member of our team, daughter?
Our official taste tester.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Our official taste tester. Official taste tester. Come on down. Hello, official taste tester.
Hi, Daddy.
Do you have a name, official taste tester?
Yes, son.
Why, hello, son. Welcome to the team. Son, are you ready to do your job?
Yes.
Then if you would, son, please, taste test away. Is it okay, taste tester, son? All right? Daughter, let's try it out. Yeah. Yeah, I'm liking that. All right. Okay. All right. So these are mine. You guys know how to make the recipe on your own. Now you don't need me. You guys can want more of them. Not yours. Hold on. So that's good. Son, you might not know this, but daughter has something to tell you that we do.
In this house, we dance in the kitchen.
Oh my. Let's say goodbye, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everybody. What? Yeah, I'm gonna keep these.